Just got the package in the mail. I had to record it. Don't put your hand over the speaker.
Okay, where's the speaker?
Speaker's right there.
Alright.
Alright, make sure I'm in it. Unboxing. I'm a little closer. Does it look good in the camera?
Yeah.
I just like to go for the box, you know. Doing the tape isn't enough for me. I gotta really unbox. One down there, one down there. And finally, right down the middle. Come. What do we have here? Little shank, the trusty blade. Here we are. What do we have here? Ooh, it sounds like something spiritual. Figured I should stick to draw. Alright boys, you know what it is. We got the full throttle set up for the Doodle bug. You feel me? Let's do a little. Egg's gonna be mad I unbox this, but I'm doing it for you guys. So what do we got here? Check it out. Got one, this is for the left one, just for to hold, and this is definitely the throttle, so you know, this is the whole setup. My little brother ordered this, I did not. But yeah, that's just the way it is. I don't know how he's gonna put this together, but you know, well, it's life.